So students, we are here with one more important topic, that is void or hole or empty space. Basically, void is a result of 3D arrangement and it is empty space left between close packed sphere. Close packed sphere means, why we are not discussing in loosely hold structure or loosely bounded structure. Close packed structure means how much space is covered and how much space is vacant. Means we want maximum space that is covered and minimum space is left. So it is for void. FCC is, or FCC means face centered cubic close packing, can be a very good example for cubic close packing. And for cubic close packing we are going to study about void. Void, again I am saying, it is a empty space left when spheres are arranged inside the cube. Okay, so we here two layers in three-dimensionally arrangement, like solid sphere, it is first layer, and solid black sphere is first layer, and dotted sphere is second layer. That means second layer is placed over the first layer like this. Second layer के ऊपर we are placing, sorry, first layer के ऊपर we are placing second layer in this manner. So these white sphere are first layer and all red sphere are second layer. So how many voids are, or how many vacant sites are originated from such kind of arrangement? So number 1, trigonal void, number 2, tetrahedral void, or number 3, octahedral void. How it's formed, ये कैसे बनते हैं? तो see, the trigonal void is a result of enclosed packing by 3 sphere only. Means it is a result of first layer, when first sphere layer is progressing in this manner, then in bottom second layer is second row, we can say, or second column, whatever it is, it is not our considerable. If we are progressing in such manner, then the 3 sphere, by 3 sphere, the vacant space which is inside or in between the 3 sphere, it is known as trigonal void. When we will put trigonal void is a result of first layer na. When we will put second layer over the first layer, it will form in such manner, it will form tetrahedral void. See here, white one is first layer, red one is second layer, and second layer is putting in such manner, when it is covered, when it is completely kept the hole which is created by these 3 spheres which are enclosed to each other. So this void or space which is inside the or behind these red sphere is known as tetrahedral void. The void is formed by surrounding of 4 spheres which lie at the vertices of regular tetrahedron. I will see you the structure of tetrahedron and octahedral in my further video lecture, but today we will only discuss how voids are found. So here, when second layer is covered to first layer and the space which is created among or between these 4th sphere, it is known as tetrahedral void. So you can decide, you can design, you can predict how many tetrahedral voids you can continue with. When you draw the sphere completely, you will find infinite number of tetrahedral void in a cube. So next one is octahedral void. Octahedral void is a result of combination of 2 trigonal void when they are placed each other in opposite direction. See here, this is first layer, whitest layer, and C, just opposite is second layer, red layer, na? Means over the first layer, when we put second layer in such arrangement, then the void or space created inside or among or between the 6 sphere, see, you can see here to there, by this space, this void, you can see one side to another side. Then this void is considered as octahedral void, and the void is created by 6 spheres which are surrounded in a combination of 2 trigonal void over first and second layer. So this one is trigonal void. This is created by 3 spheres. When 4 spheres are there and arrangement is like this, then this is known as tetrahedral void. And when 6 spheres or combination of 2 trigonal void, 3 sphere from first layer and 3 sphere from second layer, when they are arranged in such a manner so that it is considered as octahedral void. Now, where these voids are found? Where is the location for these void? And we will discuss 3-dimensional void, that is tetrahedral and octahedral. So where tetrahedral void, that is TV, and where octahedral void, that is OV, are located in certain cube or certain cubic close packing structure or in FCC structure. So first we will discuss about octahedral void, and then we will come for tetrahedral void. So octahedral void, remember the location of octahedral void in a cube, 2 sides. Number 1 at center, number 2 at edges. See, center for a cube, center is only 1, and cube center is 1, and one center is fully contributed or fully devoted to towards that cube. Means one cube center is particularly belong to one cube only, so that its contribution will be 1. And about edges, in a cube there are 12 edges, and each edge is surrounded by 4 unit cell, or we can say one edge is common to 4 unit cell. So its contribution will be 1/4. Here I written already, each void on edge is shared by 4 other unit cell. So that particularly 1 from center and 3 from edges, total octahedral void for a cubic close packing structure, it would be 4. How? 1 from center and 3 from each edges. Total 12 edges, and contribution of edge towards that unit cell is 1/4. So that 1 plus 3 equal to 4. That means number of octahedral void. Remember students, number of octahedral voids for certain unit cell, for fixed unit cell, for particular unit cell, it is 4. Now come for tetrahedral voids. It is nothing but, just remember the corners atom. How many corners in a cube? It is 8. So that tetrahedral voids for a cubic close packing, it would be 8. There are 8 tetrahedral voids. These are located at the body diagonal. See where body diagonal end? Corner to corner. And here their total body diagonal can be kitna? 4. 4 ka double 8. 8 corners simply. So don't remember the body diagonal, just think about 8 corners. So that number of tetrahedral voids, that is 8, that is double of octahedral voids. That is very important. Number of OV, octahedral void, it is 4. Number of TV, tetrahedral void, it is 8. And next one, in next video lecture, we will discuss about how these voids are contributed 2/3, 3/4, 1/3, and we will make the formula for compound as we did, as number of atoms are missing or number of atoms at face, at corner, at body center. So in same scenario we will continue with some certain kind of numericals. so that you will able to found you will be able to find the formula of that compound or certain formula unit, formula mass. There are lots of application are there. So we will continue in our next video lecture. Thank you very much.